What's up out there, all you fellow YouTubers, J-Speed fans? J-Speed is checking in. Want to let you know if you're ever trying to get the front control arm off of one of these Priuses on the passenger side. You're going to have a problem with clearance of that pan right there, that oil pan, because that bolt's got to come straight out of the front of here, and basically it interferes. So what I did is I jacked up the engine a tiny bit, broke this bolt off, and I put a board exactly this thickness right here in between 1 inch this loose bolt in the chassis, and allowed me clearance to pull the bolt out of here and get around the oil pan. So if you're stuck there, just a tip to help you out so you can get your Prius on the road, save some gas. J-Speed, peace out.